Hi friends, welcome to Beauty with Karah, where we talk about all things beauty. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of Stitch Fix. Okay friends, so hello, so this is another fashion unboxing and review. So I have a Stitch Fix box in front of me. So I used to do Stitch Fix like way back in the day, and I found that a lot of the stuff was like super expensive and didn't really fit me right. But then one of my friends started it up again, and apparently they did a revamp of their business and she liked it, and I did find a few dresses in my last couple boxes that I actually liked. So I decided I was getting another box because we're going to Punta Cana and I wanted to see if they send me another dress or something fun to wear there. So we have this. So I did not open it yet, as you can see. So if you've never tried Stitch Fix, the way it works is you do a styling quiz and a stylist picks out clothes for you. You give them your sizes and stuff like that. When they send you a box, you write back to them what you liked, what you didn't like, obviously what you're gonna keep and stuff like that. So they kind of like tailor it to you. You can give them notes. So before, you didn't know what was coming in your box, but this time actually they sent me an email before they sent it, and they had me pick like 5 different items out of like a list of 10. So they were like, which ones do you want us to send in your box? So they did pick a few out, but then I got to narrow it down a little bit more. So I'm not sure if that's like a new thing that they're doing or if it was something specific. I'm not sure. So I don't know if that's like forever, but that's what they did. So I actually do know what's inside of this, or at least what I remember, because that was like a week ago. So yeah, let's open this and find out what's in here. So I'm gonna try all the stuff and see what I want to keep. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside. So they always give you like an envelope with all like the details and stuff, and then they wrap it up in like whatever this paper is called. So yeah, so, and actually now I think you can go online and just shop from them directly. If you see stuff that you like on their website, you don't have to like have it come in your box. You can just order, which I like to try things on, so I don't do that. So let's see. So this is not sponsored by Stitch Fix, but I will have a discount code for you down below for you to check out your first box. Yeah, so let's see what's here. So this is a tank top, and I actually thought this was really cute in the picture, but how does this work? Well, how does you work? And I'm gonna try these on for you, so don't worry. Okay, so this is a tank top. So it's like, this is the back, this little thing here, and then it's just like a normal tank top with the front, and it's like flowy, so I kind of like that, because I can put that with shorts. That's actually pretty nice. So let's try that on. And then we have, ooh, look at this dress. I love flower dresses. It's like my favorite thing in the whole world. And the clothes are actually, I find them, they are expensive, but they actually are really nice quality, and they're very, very soft. Okay, so this is a flowy wrap dress. It's like wrapped at the top, and it has like this little bow. So I'm excited. It does have a very wide V-neck, so we'll see if that actually works. So, alright, what's next? Ooh, another dress. They know me so well. So this is, ooh, I think I like this one better. So this is also a wrap up top with a very long asymmetrical bottom. You see that? I'll try it on for you. So this is cute. I don't have one like this, so that one's probably gonna stay before the other one. And then this is cute. This is so cute. Yeah. Oh, I like this. So this is a tank top, and it has like this, like the single strap in the back like that, and then it branches out, and it has this like scalloped front, and it's flowy. I like flowy because I have a bigger midsection that I need to hide. So, because I got a little flubber. But yeah, so I like that. And then these really cute yellow shorts, which I think would look nice with that. Yeah. We'll see. Alright, I hope these fit. Alright, so we're gonna go try that on, and you can see what it looks like. So yeah, and I'll tell you sizes as well. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so of course the first outfit I put on was these yellow shorts, which are really nice because they like stay down, they don't like ride up like this. And they're, you know, they're not super short, but they're, you know, shorter than like the long to the knee ones. And they're pretty high-waisted, which I like, so they keep everything in, and they're pretty stretchy. You know, I'm not a huge fan of like jeans because they can be uncomfortable, especially around my waist. But then they have this shirt. So we have this tank top, which I think is super cute, especially like with shorts like this. It does have a double layer, which is nice, and I think it's like really cute, and it fits pretty well. You'd have to like watch what kind of bra you're wearing, but this is super cute in the back, and it like flows really nicely, and I think it's like longer, but it's not too long, so it's not like covering like my pants, so you can obviously see that I'm wearing pants. So this is super cute. I like this a lot. So yeah, I definitely like the neckline of this as well. Okay, so I threw the black top on, and I like the top because it does like this V up in the sides, and then it's kind of like longer. The only thing is that it's kind of see-through, so you'd have to be careful about what bra you wear. I love this thing in the back, which is I guess my favorite part about it, but I mean, it's super comfortable, but I don't know how often I would wear something like this, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. The only thing is it is longer here, so it looks like, you know, it's covering your pants. And all of these items are mediums, so all the tops are mediums, and the pants are size 6, and I think it's a 28 waist. Okay, so the first dress is super cute. It is kind of a cotton feel. I really like the sleeves of this. And then it goes down kind of to my knees. So as you can see, it kind of is there. And the only thing about this is that the top is like super big. So I feel like it was meant for bigger people up here. It definitely like kind of does this weird thing here, and then it kind of slits open. So I would probably have to wear like, you know, a pin or something to kind of keep it in place. It is super cute, but again, it's like a little big right in this area. So I don't know. I kind of like it though. It's definitely very soft, like a cotton feel. So let me know if you like this dress in the comments. Okay, so this is the last dress, and I love the concept of this dress and like the style, but again, the top is just slightly too big, and then it hugs a little bit too much right here, which a lot of the dresses I'm used to wearing kind of flares a little bit more here. It doesn't flare until like the end, and then the bottom is asymmetrical, so it does that, but it's not as asymmetrical as I thought it was, so it comes down past my knees, which is a little weird to me, and then it's like all the way to like my ankles in the back. So I definitely like this dress as I was looking at it, but I don't know how I feel about it on. Okay friends, so I'm just gonna tell you the sizes and like what type of item this is. So this dress that I tried on with the asymmetrical bottom, so this is an Irene Faux wrap brushed knit maxi dress, long names. So this was a medium, so mediums usually fit on me, and I feel like this is really nice quality. It's very soft, but I felt like my body type just didn't work for this dress because it does hug tightly in the waist, and then it was a little bigger on the top, and then I feel like the bottom, the front could have been like shorter. So this is a pass for me, so I'm gonna give this one back. So I do love the style and the color and the flowers, but the fit just wasn't right. So we're gonna give that one back. Okay, so the next item was the Jackie scallop detail blouse. So that's this one. This is the black blouse with the flowers and the scallop edge on the neck. I do really love this one, and it fit really well, and it was super comfortable. It has really nice material. It has 2 layers. This was also medium, and I think I'm gonna actually keep this one. So yes, I did like this one a lot. Okay, and the next item was the Alicia black detail knit top. So that was the black top with the back like strap that had the V's on the side. It is very comfortable and soft, but the way it laid, it's like a little too long in the front and it's kind of see-through. So I don't think it's worth the price to me, so I'm actually going to pass on this one too. Okay, and then the next item was the Lily short cuffed. So this is the yellow shorts. These were super comfortable. They're jeans and they're a little stretchy. They are a 6 or 28 waist. I am debating if I want to keep this or not. It is a little pricier, but if you're looking for a really good pair of shorts, this might be the way to go. If you're like, don't want to spend as much, you can look elsewhere, but Stitch Fix has their own designers, so you can't find these exact shorts anywhere else. You'd have to get it at Stitch Fix. So it's up to you if you want to pay for the quality of these. Okay, and then the last item was the Keegan Faux Wrap Brushed Knit Dress. So this was the black dress. It was super cute. It fit pretty well except for the front, which, you know, I don't know if I would be comfortable wearing it all the time because of that, because it is super big. I would just feel like that it's going to like pop open on me. So this might be a pass as well, just because of that reason alone. If I got it in like a smaller size, maybe. So I'll definitely mention that to my stylist and see if she sends me a similar dress, or if not, like a smaller size of this. So we'll see for the next time. So yeah, so those were my items. I am definitely gonna get the shirt, but then I'm debating on the shorts. It just depends how much you want to spend, really. They do give you a discount if you buy the whole box. So usually if you get your whole box, it's a $25 discount, or a 25% discount. Yeah, so some people do buy the whole box. I always find at least one or two things that don't fit me quite well, and it has to be like perfect if I'm gonna spend that much money on things. So it is super high quality. They definitely got better with like my style and the fit of things. And when I got Stitch Fix before, it kind of seemed like they had more older styles, like something like my mom or my grandmother would wear, but now it's more like styles that I would wear as well. So I do recommend Stitch Fix if you're looking for quality stuff that you can get shipped at home and try on at home. If you're definitely going to buy at least one item each time, they do charge you a $20 styling fee that goes towards the clothes that you buy. So if you don't get anything in the box, I believe it just poofs, goes away. I did have a box once where I didn't want anything from it, so they gave me another free box instead, and like waived my styling fee. I don't know if they do that every time, but I think it was because I was like a first-time shopper or something like that. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which items you liked down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more videos every Thursday. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.